How did the NDA and the India bloc perform in the 5 southern states that account for 130 seats in the parliament? The short answer, the results were a mixed bag for the NDA. The long answer is that even though the BJP placed an unprecedented thrust on the 5 southern states with at least 25 official and non-official visits by Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself between January and May 2024, the India bloc outshined the NDA in Tamil Nadu yet again, retained most of Kerala and upped its tally in Telangana and Karnataka. In total, while the India bloc managed to win 76 seats, the NDA went from 30 seats in 2019 to 49 seats in 2024. Let's take a look at each of these 5 states one by one. First up is Kerala. While the Congress-led UDF may have retained 18 out of 20 seats, it was the BJP that scripted history by winning its first ever Lok Sabha seat from Thrissur, where actor-turned-politician Suresh Gopi had contested. The ruling CPIM could only win 1 seat. And overall, the BJP managed to increase its vote share to nearly 17%. Moving on to Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, where the fight was between the DMK-led India, the BJP-led NDA and the AIADMK. This was a state where PM Narendra Modi had invested heavy political capital, but the party became a complete cropper, winning 0 seats as the DMK alliance swept all 40. However, in a first, BJP's vote share increased to 11% from 3.66% in the 2019 elections. In Karnataka, even as the BJP-JDS alliance emerged victorious in 19 out of 28 seats, the ruling Congress improved its tally by winning 9 seats as opposed to securing just 1 in 2019. The Karnataka debacle is dear for the BJP because the state has been its bastion, where it had won 25 seats in the 2019 election. Moving on to Telangana, where the BJP and Congress won 8 seats each. While the BJP doubled its tally from 2019, the Congress merely had 3 seats in the previous elections. Both the parties decimated the BRS led by K. Chandrasekhar Rao, which drew a blank. In neighbouring Andhra Pradesh, the alliance between the TDP, Janasena and BJP led to a landslide victory in what is a complete reversal of the 2019 results. While the Chandrababu Naidu-led TDP won 16 seats, the BJP won 3 out of the 6 seats it contested, up from a 0 tally in 2019. The Jagan Mohan Reddy-led YSRCP was restricted to just 4 seats. Speaking of Naidu, he is clearly one of the kingmakers this election. His win is not only a major comeback for him in the state, but also at the centre, where all eyes are on him to decide whether he continues with the NDA, which he rejoined ahead of the 2024 elections, 6 years after a bitter falling out in 2018. As we bring you the latest updates on the new government formation, stay tuned with The Quint.